Nayele.
Sir, governments are supposed to work for the people's welfare. The people have power or authority over government.
Power ultimately resides in the people.
Instead of teaching the children, you are not telling them story. How you going to say? The principal, Mr. Brimpon, and you guys don't see anything wrong with that.
It's like robbing Peter to people when you don't pay your taxes.
How so? You get to keep your money.
No, you shoot yourself in the foot.
Couldn't be better.
But what about all the corruption?
Excellent question.
I'm looking for a special service.
Let me think about it.
Now, what is he trying to do? Tell me, is it Mr. Know-it-all or what?
I told you. Everyone has a price.